Hi, I'm Chris from Wella and I'm going to share with you how to transform your client's dull and lifeless hair into a beautiful colour finish with amazing strawberry blonde pieces using BlondorPlex and Colour Touch. I'm sectioning out the top area and then I'm placing my foils underneath in the 4 quadrants of the head. Here you can see I'm actually using minimal foils and then complementing it with some balayaged pieces through the top for minimum effort and maximum impact. Now you can see my foils are in the hair and I'm going to place a few balayaged freehand pieces through that top section. In my Colour Touch formula, you can see I'm using coppery tones with that hint of a little bit of pink. Thanks for watching my tutorial today. If you want more inspiration from the Wella Professionals team, check out the Wella Professionals YouTube channel and subscribe.